Hi boys and girls, this is the Engage New York Module 1 end of unit test. So please make sure that your name is on the top of your test and today's date. And I will read number 1. Number 1, label the array, then fill in the blanks below to make true number sentences. All right, you see this says 6 times 4. You see some equations here. You need to fill in all the blanks. Please look at this array and notice it is in 2 parts. Okay, pause the video to do your math. The next one down here. Again, you want to label the array, fill in the blanks below to make sure the number sentences are true. Notice this says 8 times 4. Here's an array in 2 parts. There are number sentences to fill in. Right here, fill in all the blanks, please. Pause the video to do your math. On the back here, it says match the multiplication expression with their answers. So here's a multiplication sentence. The answer is in one of the moons. Please draw a line to connect. Connect to the answer here, connect to this sun to a moon, and this sun as well. Pause the video to do your math. Down below here, it says the array below shows one strategy for solving 9 times 4. Explain the strategy using your own words. So fill in the number sentences here and explain in this space here using words how this strategy helps you solve 9 times 4. 9 times 4 equals what? How does the strategy help you? Pause the video to do your math. Next, this page says, use the array to complete the related equations. Notice that these 2 equations here are related, okay, and it has to do with this part of the array. These 2 equations are related, and it has to do with this much of the array right here. Okay. Fill in all of the equations, the related equations. Pause the video to do your math. And then finally on the back page, okay, it says the teacher puts 32 students into groups of 4. How many groups does she make? Draw and label a tape diagram or any other picture to help you solve. Remember, you need a number model. You also need a sentence that answers the question. How many groups does she make? Pause the video to do your math. The next one says the store clerk arranges 24 toothbrushes into 4 equal rows. How many toothbrushes are in each row? Use a drawing, use a math equation, write a sentence answering the question. How many toothbrushes are in each row? Pause the video to do your math. And finally at the bottom, it says an art teacher has 40 paintbrushes. She divides them equally between her 4 students. She finds 8 more brushes and divides these equally between the students as well. How many brushes does each student receive? Use a drawing, use number equations, and a sentence to answer the question. How many brushes does each student receive? Pause the video to do your math. This is the end of the test. Check over your work before you begin your silent reading. Thank you.